Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with what I think is another potential 100x gem for you guys. This video we're checking out Reppo. Now this was launched through the virtual ecosystem, and a lot of people that I follow, a lot of accounts that are trading on base, they're extremely bullish on Reppo. We could see potential massive upside for Reppo. Even from one account that I was looking at, I'll show you guys the upside and how the charts align so perfectly with other projects that we've talked about on the channel. But Reppo is basically training data for like AI startups, robotics, and AI tuning, etc. Right? So this is pretty much like could help you with prediction markets. It's a league of AI agents that can help you with basically any type of AI tool that you need, right? Pretty straightforward and to the point website, but you could go through the developers, the ecosystem, who it's backed by, and again, a lot of people that I follow are very interested in the project, and I think this is potential for another 100x gem. I think, like I said in my previous videos, that base is the place to be for trading, in my opinion. And if you have a smaller portfolio, you only have a $5,000 to $10,000 portfolio, or even less, $3,000, even just $1,000. I think base is the place to be, guys, because it's very untapped. The people that trade on base have the same mind share and have visions of higher market caps, right? The only project this year that, in my opinion, that was that broke through those ceilings like we saw last year, where projects would go to multi-billions in market cap, was KTA, and also Zora as well, right? Both projects broke through the ceiling from smaller market caps around 20 to 40 mil market cap, and went on to KTA went to billions of market cap, and Zora is heading to billions next, in my opinion, right? And both of those was on base, right? I have not seen any project that has been created on Solana this year that has achieved billions in market cap from lower market caps, right? So this is why I think Reppo could be a great contender for another multi-billion dollar project from where it's at. Or if not a billion-dollar project, maybe 300 to 600 million market cap, kind of like what AIXBT did, right? If you take a look, let's take a look at AIXBT. Let's take a look at AIXBT and see its all-time high. I think Reppo going to AIXBT's all-time high is very possible from here. So AIXBT went to $745 million in market cap, right? From, can it show me how low the lows? From around 5 million, if not less than 5 million in market cap. Wow, that's insane. That is insane. Less than 5 million in market cap to 750 million market cap, right? That is absolutely insane. So I think Reppo is in the same spot to do a move like AIXBT. Right now it's at 5.4 mil circulating and 15.6 mil FDV, right? Now is a great time to enter. You're not buying the top at 34 mil FDV. You're buying at 15 mil market cap, 15.6 mil market cap. So right now, if you have $1,000 to invest, $1,000 in Reppo right here, would be a great investment in my opinion. That's gonna be around what, 70,000, 60,000 tokens. Right here, 65,000 tokens for 65,000 tokens for $1,000 invested into Reppo. 65,000 and it goes to 750 mil market cap. 65,000 tokens, 0.75, boom, that's $48,000, right? At 750 mil market cap from here, and that's very possible, in my opinion, guys. So Reppo, like I said, 26,000 followers on Twitter, very active project in the base ecosystem. We see a lot of people that are bullish on base and are great base traders holding Reppo here. It's on a nice little dip right here. It's pulling back as well as we speak, so now's a great time to enter. You're not buying the highs, you're buying on a pullback and a nice pullback. It formed a bottom here, so that's why I'm like, okay, yesterday it formed a bottom here, so I'm like, okay, maybe now is a great time to talk about this project. And hopefully it does this is the bottom and it doesn't keep falling off a cliff. I'm hoping for that. But you could again, if you have $1,000, you could DCA maybe a couple hundred. If it falls lower, add a couple hundred. And also you could just invest 500, $600, right? You don't have to invest you don't have to break your bank on projects, guys. See, it's dropping lower, so you don't have to break the bank on projects. Just invest the amount you're willing to lose, because the upside for these projects that I talk about are very far, right? Could go very far, right? So right here, Reppo, in my opinion, is a great buy. Either $500, $500 to $1,000 could be great upside. I'm targeting anywhere from 300 mil to 700 mil market cap, similar to what AIXBT did. And like I said, see somebody scooping up the dip right here, $5,600 buy, right? I'm targeting what AIXBT did for Reppo, right? 750 mil market cap, maybe even KTA level, 1.6 billion market cap. I swear I saw a tweet from someone that mentioned Reppo. Let's see. I swear I saw a tweet where someone had like a TA showing like Reppo could potentially make a move from the fractals that it has, like KTA. Oh, yep, right here. So now we draw the KTA grid into Reppo and chart. We have a Moonboy Dream, 200 mil by January 7th, 1.6 billion market cap by February 24th, right? And then you have the uptrend, similar to what KTA did, right? So bringing this to the channel, great gem. And I think this is going to do extremely well. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.